Welcome to Uptime.com and to our video on troubleshooting common issues with Okta SSO. In this video, we'll cover some of the most common issues encountered when setting up single sign-on and provide solutions to help you resolve them. While we're focusing on Okta, these troubleshooting steps are applicable to most identity providers and should guide you to identify and resolve SSO login issues. Note that the UI of Okta may change over time. Common issue number 1, IDP attribute configuration. One of the most frequent issues involves the configuration of IP attributes and values. When starting your configuration, ensure that the entity audience URI and the CS URL consumer URL recipient are correctly entered in the respective fields in your IT. If you're unsure where to place these values, refer to our SSO configuration support documentation linked in the description below. Correct attribute entry is crucial. Incorrect entries will lead to login errors. Here are the required attributes for your ID configuration. The first name attribute should be set to name ID. Name format should be set to basic, and the value should be user.email. The second name attribute should be set to email. Name format should be set to unspecified, and the value should be user.email. The third name attribute should be set to first name. Name format should be set to unspecified, and the value should be user.firstname. The last name attribute should be set to last name. Name format should be set to unspecified, and the value should be user.lastname. Common issue number 2, user assignment in Okta. Another common issue is the assignment of users in Okta. Users that do not have assignments will lead to error when logging in using SSO. To avoid this error, ensure that the correct users are assigned to the SSO workflow. To do this, navigate to the Assign section in Okta and select the users who need SSO access. Common issue number 3, first handshake process. When setting up SSO for the first time, users must log into their Uptime.com account using their regular credentials before using SSO. This initial login initiates the handshake between Uptime.com and the Okta ID syncing the SSO configuration. Another option to initiate the first handshake process is to use the waveless URL. To get the URL, navigate to Setting and then click on SSO. Copy the waveless URL and paste the URL in the browser. Once you have initiated the first handshake process, you would need to log in with SAML SSO. To do this, go to the Uptime.com sign-in page and click Login with SAML SSO. Common issue number 4, adding a new user in Uptime.com. When adding a new user to Uptime.com with SSO, you must also create the corresponding user in your IDP. Failing to add the user in the IDP will result in errors. To add a new user, navigate to Directory and click People. Fill out the form in your IDP, ensuring the details match the user's information in their Uptime.com account. Go back to Assignments by navigating to Applications and click on Assignments. Click Assign, select Assign to People, and choose the newly created user. Ensure the user activates the email link from Okta. Finally, initiate the first handshake. This concludes our video tutorial on troubleshooting Okta SSO issues. For more detailed guidance on setting up Okta SSO, explore our extended video library or refer to our Configuring Okta SSO documentation linked in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team at support@uptime.com.